How older men can tell a younger woman is waiting for you to make a move. Stoicism. The dynamic between older men and younger women in relationships can often be misunderstood. For older men, understanding whether a younger woman is interested and waiting for you to take the next step requires insight, emotional intelligence, and self-awareness. Stoicism offers a valuable perspective in navigating these interactions with integrity, respect, and clarity, allowing for meaningful connections built on genuine attraction and understanding. This detailed guide explores how older men can recognize the subtle signals that indicate a younger woman is interested and how Stoic principles can help approach such situations with confidence, wisdom, and respect. 1. Reading her body language. Younger women often communicate their interest nonverbally, and body language is one of the clearest indicators. Subtle cues like leaning in, maintaining eye contact, or mirroring your movements can be signs that she's open to your advances. What to observe? She smiles often and warmly when interacting with you. Her body is angled toward you, showing openness. She finds reasons to touch your arm, shoulder, or hand during conversations. Her eyes light up when she sees you, and she maintains prolonged eye contact. Stoic approach. Instead of jumping to conclusions or acting impulsively, practice patience and mindfulness. Stoicism teaches you to observe without attachment, allowing you to discern her genuine interest without projecting your desires onto her behavior. 2. Her interest in your life and experiences. Younger women who are attracted to older men often show curiosity about your life, work, hobbies, and experiences. They may ask thoughtful questions or actively listen when you share your thoughts. What to observe? She frequently seeks your opinion or advice on various topics. She seems fascinated by your stories and accomplishments. She compliments your perspective, wisdom, or achievements. Stoic approach. Recognize her interest as a reflection of your character and experiences, but remain grounded. Avoid letting pride or ego take over. Instead, engage with humility and authenticity, sharing your wisdom without the need to impress. 3. Her willingness to spend time with you. When a younger woman is interested, she will make an effort to be around you or spend quality time with you. Whether it's joining you for casual activities or initiating plans, her consistent presence is a strong indicator. What to observe? She frequently initiates conversations or finds reasons to be near you. She agrees to spend time with you one-on-one. She appears genuinely excited and happy in your presence. Stoic approach. Appreciate her time and effort, but remain intentional about your actions. Stoicism encourages you to value her company without taking it for granted. Approach the situation with gratitude and respect for her time and emotions. 4. She complements your maturity. One of the reasons younger women may be drawn to older men is their maturity, wisdom, and stability. If she frequently acknowledges these qualities, it's a strong sign of her admiration and interest. What to observe? She makes positive remarks about your confidence, experience, or calm demeanor. She appreciates how you handle challenges or make decisions. She mentions how your maturity contrasts with younger men she knows. Stoic approach. Take her compliments as encouragement rather than validation. Stoicism teaches self-reliance and self-worth, ensuring that your confidence comes from within rather than external praise. 5. She shares personal details and seeks emotional connection. When a younger woman opens up about her life, feelings, or dreams, she's inviting you into her world. This vulnerability indicates trust and a desire for a deeper connection. What to observe? She shares personal stories or experiences with you. She asks for your advice on personal matters. She talks about her goals, aspirations, or fears in your presence. Stoic approach. Practice active listening and empathy without rushing to solve her problems. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of understanding others without judgment, allowing you to create a safe space for her to express herself. 6. She finds excuses to be close to you. Younger women interested in older men may find subtle ways to close the physical or emotional distance. These gestures can include sitting near you, initiating playful interactions, or seeking reasons to be in your presence. What to observe? She stands or sits closer to you than necessary during interactions. She engages in light, playful teasing to build rapport. She seeks your presence in social settings or professional environments. Stoic approach. Respond with calmness and confidence, avoiding overanalyzing her actions. Stoicism teaches the importance of staying present and not letting fleeting emotions dictate your behavior. 7. She waits for you to lead. A younger woman who is interested may subtly signal that she's waiting for you to take the lead, especially if she's unsure about your intentions or feels it's appropriate for you to initiate. What to observe? She gives you space to make decisions about plans or next steps. She subtly hints at her availability without being direct. She mirrors your energy, responding warmly when you show interest. Stoic approach. Take the lead with integrity and respect. Stoicism encourages action rooted in virtue and mindfulness. If you sense mutual interest, approach her with sincerity, ensuring that your actions align with both her comfort and your values.